Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be talking about the Genesis Matrix Indicator for MT4. This tool displays a compact color-coded matrix in a separate window that brings together several technical components so you can see at a glance whether mixed conditions are bullish, bearish, or mixed. I'll just go ahead and load the indicator on the chart at this point so you can see how it looks in real time. Please remember to allow DLL imports. Okay. Alright, so there we have it. As you can see, the Genesis matrix appears as four lines. The first line is blue and the last line is red. It appears the third line is blue as well, while the second line is a mix of blue and red, showing different market conditions for both bearish and bullish, or bullish and bearish rather, for blue and red. So the mixed colors inside the matrix suggest indecision or conflicting conditions, warning you that the setup is weaker or that the market is in transition. As for the indicator settings, let's see the inputs. So we have the time frame settings, time frame period, time frame auto, TVL setting, TVL arrow, and the rest of them. We also have CCI settings, CCI period, CCI threshold, T3 settings, T3 period, and all that. They're all available. You can also customize the colors so that they stand out properly with your MT4 chart theme. So who is the indicator for? The Genesis Matrix indicator is suited to traders who want a compact rules-based dashboard that summarizes several technical signals at once, especially for intraday or short-term trading. It does not replace a full trading plan, can still give losing signals when markets are choppy or news-driven, and should be used with clear rules on timeframes, entries, exits, and risk management rather than a click and trade panel. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full Genesis Matrix Trading System article covering the matrix components, example rules, pros and cons at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.